Hi, I'm Tanish from the Gujarat Tech Titans, Ahmedabad's first FTC team. Okay, hello everyone and welcome to another episode. Today we're going to talk about Gamma AI. So let's begin. So Gamma AI basically creates presentations. And let me just unmute. And Gamma AI's presentation setup, it's actually amazing. You can do a lot with it. You can write in plain text, you could create your own, and you could also give your own slides and etc. And now let's just begin. Okay, so what should I create? Maybe I'm thinking maybe something like artificial intelligence for students. Yeah, it seems simple enough, and it's a very important thing. So let me just type this one sentence. We'll stick to classic. Alright, now let's see what happens here. It should first create what all each slide should have. If you want to change anything, you can do it right now without doing all the formatting yet. To me, this seems fine, so let's just move on and say generate. Alright, now we have to wait. Oh wait, it's already done. See, it already shows very good style. You can see it. It's using a very dignified text text family, and now it's quickly making it in a way we would not be able to do it ourselves, and you can see it in action. Alright, so now we are done. So now let's jump to the first Gamma. So as we can see over here, we have all sorts of cards that have been made, and currently we are using a light mode. Now let's look at it first of all, and we want to just see it. You can see very well over here that the images around it are pretty nice and it's pretty well formatted. What changes could we make? Let's see. Alright, so we have got a lot of stuff, and we can, if we want to, add our own card. So let's choose. I think we should keep this card like in the end. Let's add a card over there, okay? So, hmm. We'll make a card with AI, and what we want is to talk, and we want is like something about how AI has like helped the helped improve studies for students and how it's helped student scores and all of that. So we've just asked the AI to just create a card on that. It'll take a moment, and you can see it's boosted student achievement. It's got a pretty nice style. So yeah, you can see all of this. It looks pretty good and seems related. Now you can see, you might think it might not fit, but then you can just scroll down slightly and it seems perfectly fine. We've just added in our own card, our own slide. Yeah, now let's change the theme. This is one theme, but look at the whole amount. You can see this is a darker theme. It looks pretty nice, but I want the previous theme, honestly. Yeah, this theme looks amazing, honestly. So let's stick with this. And I think this is good. Let's just export this, alright? So let's click share. We share it and then we want to export it. Let's export it as a PDF. Let's, yep, we've got it. It looks pretty good also. Yeah, seems to do the job. Let's export it also as a Google Slides. Yeah. It'll take a minute, but I think it should be ready. And yeah, it's made. Let's just see the Google Slides for a minute. And yeah, you've got the same thing in the Google Slides and it looks pretty good. Each slide looks almost the same as what we saw on Gamma. You got what we expected, and it's pretty good. It saves a lot of time. The uses of Gamma are endless, from office to your own hobbies or schoolwork. It's like everywhere, and it's perfect. So yeah, that wraps up our video, and I think you should use Gamma sooner or later because in the world of AI, I think AI is our future, and this saves so much time and it looks so good. Yeah, thanks. And thank you for watching this YouTube video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.